This video brought to you by Investment. Hey guys, this is Maruf Hasan and welcome back to another new tutorial. And today I will show you how to edit high-end skin retouching on Photoshop. So if you are new into my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And without wasting any time, let's get started. Open your Photoshop and then open the photo which you retouch, which you want to retouch. I select this picture for retouching, and guys, you can see many blemishes and dark spot and many spot in face. I can zoom it and you can see this. First we remove it. We remove all blemishes from face. That's why I go to the sparkling brush tool, some big this tool, and press the all blemishes here. I do it fast, otherwise the video is very long. And want to press only these blemishes and automatically remove it. And if you connected with me, you can follow me on Instagram, link in the description, and also follow my Facebook page, link in the description. And you can visit our website for more information. Let's talk about the sponsor of this video. Investment is a digital ad making company. What is the investment? If you want to create your company ad, you can contact with Investment. Investment provide the digital ad very affordable price, and they create unique and professional ad for your company. You can visit their website and also visit their Facebook page. After remove all the blemishes, now we try to smooth the face. That's why we take 2 layers. I will copy this background layer. That's why I press J two times. We need 2 layers. And middle of layer, select middle layer, and we go to the filter and then blur and then Gaussian blur, and we type here the radius 2, Gaussian blur radius 2, and then OK. Then go to the first layer, again go to the filter and down of this menu and go to the other, and then high pass, and we set this radius is 1.5. High pass radius is 1.5. Remember it. And then go to the normal, click here and go to the down, linear light, select linear light. Okay, and again go to the select the middle of layer and go to the mixer brush tool and make sure the color is off, and you also make sure the setting is here 80 white weight 80, so it's 75, 90 and 100. Sorry, 46, 40, 45, around 45. And then zoom it and simply press here, press the face.
Welcome to Evasment.
Do you know what is the Evasment?
Evasment is a digital ad making company. What service do they provide?
They create unique and professional ad for your company.
Do you want to grow your business?
Make your marketing plan with Evasment. For hire their service. Let's contact with them. Thank you.
Increase the tool size and simply press on the face and see the result. Simply press the face and automatically smooth the face. This is the technique. If you want to edit your photo, you can hire me. Contact with me. Facebook ID link and Instagram ID link in the description, and also my Gmail address is, and also my Gmail address in the description. You can contact with me for your edit your photo. Now we smooth the nose. You can see the stains. I need to more smooth around the forehead. Now this is the final output. You can see the changes of this photo before and after. This is complete, and I think the smooth is over. That's why I decrease this. I decrease smooth opacity for more realistic. Now you can see some textures here, textures the skin textures here. Now it looking more realistic. So guys, no more today. That's it. If you like this video, you can give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends, and make sure you subscribe this channel, and thank you.